So basically, there is only one type of faceless YouTube channel that can never get demonetized on YouTube. So YouTube is currently on a demonetizing spree, and of course one of my channel got hit, as you can see. Yes, I got the message few days ago actually telling me that yes, I've been demonetized and my channel is no longer being eligible to earn from the YouTube partner program. And of course many of us got hit, and I'm sure you self got hit, and that's the reason why you stumbled upon this video. So in this video, simply I'm going to tell you if you want to save yourself from this stress, if you don't want to find yourself in this sad situation any longer, I'm going to tell you the basic truths. There's of course just only one type of faceless YouTube channel that can never get demonetized on YouTube, and that's what we'll be sharing in this video. Of course, the video is unscripted and I'm trying as much as possible to make it short. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, Chibuzo Agua is my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. It's a technology related channel whereby I bring how-tos, tutorials from the technology world. Of course, I've touched I've created lots of videos about YouTube, but not really many. So since I got it, I think I should pass this information to as many of us so that we would never fall victim of this YouTube demonetizing spree. So now let's jump right straight into it. Like I told you, it's unscripted, so definitely I'm just pointing out this information from my head. I'm not reading it from anywhere. Now, you know, it's quite how would I put it, disheartening, so sad that you spend a lot of money on AI tools such as Grok is now paid. It's no longer free, because when it was free we utilized it, but now it's a paid app or a paid application or paid software. $30 per month. You spend money on Grok, you spend money on CapCut or maybe any other video editing tools. You spend money on text to speech tools also, and then that's at the end you intend to create a perfect YouTube video. I say perfect, not sloppy like most people actually say sloppy AI content. No, you created a perfect YouTube video, and of course you uploaded it on your YouTube channel, but you attracted lots of views. Note that you attract a lot of audience. You eventually get monetized into the YouTube partner program, but within a week, within a period of 7 days, you've been slammed with an email that yes, you are no longer being eligible to earn. It's quite disheartening, it's quite painful, because you've invested your money. Yes, I say money, invested your time, your mental health and whatsoever, and at the end you still get pushed out from the program, which you intend having your return over investment. Is quite disheartening. Of course, to cut the story short, I will advise anyone that wants to start a faceless YouTube channel to never go into AI. I know I might be foolish saying this, or you might actually counter me, but to be on the safe side, if you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, don't go with AI. Don't create AI videos. Don't create AI voiceovers. Don't do anything AI. Yes, take that from me. To be on the safe side at the moment, don't jump into AI video production. If you think I'm correct, or if you think I'm still not correct, tell me in the comment section. Write something about that positive video and give me your opinion. Of course, I'll read them. Now let me continue after you've done that. Why did I say so? You might think that yes, it's sloppy AI content, and that's the reason why most channels are being demonetized. But if you check some channels that are actually getting demonetized, they created perfect video. They created perfect video. Everything is perfect, more perfect than you think. But at the end, YouTube still slammed them that email of being demonetized and being kicked out of the YouTube partner program. Now, there are lots of rumors that I've been hearing that, of course, some creators are intending suing YouTube. Why? Because YouTube actually says that yes, creators can go ahead and create AI content, but at the end, you still get kicked out after obeying their instructions. So don't jump into AI. I am telling you, and I'm telling you the basic fact. Now you want to say that yes, okay, if you don't want to jump into AI, why do I say there's a particular kind of faceless YouTube channel that will never get demonetized on YouTube? What am I talking about? Faceless simply means you're not showing your face. This video I'm creating, of course, I'm showing you my face. You can see my face. You can see my mind moving. Of course, it's not AI. It's actually real. Now, you can jump into faceless. Like, okay, now let me just give an example. If you go to other tutorial section of this very YouTube channel, you discover that I actually did a screen tutorial. Yes, I captured the screen of maybe my PC, my phone, and of course I shoot a video. That's a faceless YouTube channel. But most people are confused, thinking that once you the name faceless, it simply means AI. No, you can actually create an over-the-shoulder video. That's if you know what you're doing, you are into do-it-yourself videos. You actually create that. You have a particular craft, maybe knitting, sewing, coupling gadgets or gadgets review whatsoever. Those are also faceless YouTube channel, because you're not showing your face in most of the videos. You're just doing an over-the-shoulder video showing how things can be done, or you are doing a tutorial, carrying out a tutorial how a particular software can be used on your PC, recording your PC screen, recording your phone screen, just your voice is being heard. And of course, those are faceless YouTube channel. So those categories of faceless YouTube channel can never get demonetized. Okay, let's still go far. Let's say, for instance, you want to appear in the video and you still don't want to make your face to be seen. You can put up a mask, you can put up a shade, you can put up a dummy mask, a clown mask, whatsoever. You are not showing your face if you're camera shy. But the main thing is that you are still passing an important message for your audience to consume. So those are faceless YouTube channel. And of course, they are thriving. They are particularly thriving. Or if you still, yes, you intend, you still want to create an AI video, why not save yourself the stress of using a text-to-speech application or software? Why don't you use your voice as the normal voiceover? At least what I'm hearing from people is that don't make your videos to be too AI. Yes, at least impute some human effort. Let the YouTube algorithm or whatsoever that scans through YouTube channels actually see some human effort. And the human effort, I think, is using your own voiceover or showing your face. That is as simple as that. There's not much that most people think that human effort means you creating the videos or editing the videos using one editing app such as CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, InShot, whatsoever. Those are not human efforts according to the YouTube algorithm. They actually want to see you. They actually want to hear your voice or see your face. Even if you are doing reaction videos, show your face, show how you talk. And I think if you do that, those are the categories of faceless YouTube channel that can never get demonetized on YouTube. But if you rely solely on AI voice, AI video, AI, even if you edit with human effort, trust me, you're going to get demonetized at the moment. So that's the message I just want to pass in this video. If you think I'm correct, like I said, tell me in the comment section. If you still think I'm wrong, tell me in the comment section. And how is your experience so far? And how many channels of yours, that's AI faceless channel of yours, that have eventually got demonetized in YouTube? Tell me in the comment section. Like I said, for now, to be safe, don't go into AI video creation. Take my word for that. And if you still think I'm wrong, tell me in the comment section. So that's the message I just want to pass in this video. We'll see you in my next one. Go to my channel and watch other tutorial videos and stay away from AI faceless channel at the moment. See you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.